Tesla is in bad shape, and things are about to get much worse. The company is struggling with plunging sales, particularly in California, its largest U.S. market. Sales there fell 31% in January compared to the previous year. In Europe, the numbers are even worse, down 43% in the first 2 months of the year. In China, Tesla's most important market, sales are down by 29% through February. Tesla's shares have dropped 34% this year, and the backlash against part-time CEO Elon Musk is growing. Musk, who also leads 5 other companies, has faced protests at Tesla stores, with even vehicles being burned in frustration.
Elon Musk is responding to the escalating chaos.
The real problem is not the people. It's not like the crazy guy that firebombs a Tesla dealership. It's the people pushing the propaganda that caused that guy to do it.
His attempts to cut government jobs and spending as Trump's Doge master have not helped matters. But things are about to get worse. Tesla's plunging sales suggest that the company's financial health is fundamentally shaky, and it is struggling to keep up with fierce competition. Rivals, especially BYD, the Chinese EV and battery maker, are gaining ground fast. BYD is set to overtake Tesla in revenue for the first time in 2024 and is on track to become the global leader in electric vehicle sales this year. The company is even failing in technology, with BYD outpacing it with a super fast charging battery system and Waymo dominating the self-driving car sector. What Musk fears most is happening in China. Tesla's Shanghai factory, which marked a turning point for the company in 2019, is no longer the success it once was. Tesla's sales in China, once a consistent growth story, are now declining, threatening to narrow its already shrinking profit margins. The main reason for the slowdown is China's domestic EV company, IIES, which is now outperforming Tesla in every way. Ross Gerber, CEO of Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management, stated that China had a plan when it allowed Tesla to have a wholly owned factory. The risk is that China will take Tesla's technology and build a better product. That's exactly what's happening now. Chinese EVs are cheaper, more competitive, and backed by advanced technology. BYD, the largest automaker in China, has a wide range of models, from the $10,000 Seagull hatchback to the Yuan Plus SUV, starting at $16,000, less than half the price of Tesla's premium vehicles. Tesla's Model Y starts at $34,500, and the Model 3 is priced around $32,000. BYD's low prices have helped it grow globally in markets like Latin America, Australia, and Europe. High tariffs are currently blocking BYD from exporting to the US, but it has just launched a 5-minute battery charging system that's 4 times faster than Tesla's superchargers. Tesla's main supplier, contemporary Amperex Technology, the world's largest battery maker, has been downplaying Musk's battery ambitions, even calling his newly launched lithium cell for heavier vehicles a failure. Meanwhile, BYD is pursuing Tesla's full self-driving system and is introducing its own version, 𝐞𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥, which directly competes with Tesla's hands-free driving technology. BYD is not the only competitor Musk should worry about. Other Chinese EV manufacturers are quickly gaining attention, and Western automakers are starting to take notice.